Today, we will be having a client viewing. So we're here at the residences at the Westin Manila Sonata Place. So we have 2 units sa taas and i-ready natin siya. And sasamahan niyo ako para makita niyo din. Yan. Tayo ngayon sa loob ng unit natin sa 11th floor. So this unit is 77.69 square meters, and then itutur ko kayo ngayon dito. Ito yung living room area natin. Ayan. So mga deliverables po dito is lahat is premium. Here our refrigerator. Then sa baba, yan. Range hood. Okay, yung bathroom natin, we have access sa main living room. Daan ka lang ng kitchen, makapasok ka na sa bathroom. And then, ito siya, para mapakita ko lang po sa inyo. Pagpasok natin dito, ito na yung bedroom natin. Yan, so pakita ko lang si bathroom. Hotel-like bathroom talaga. Sobrang ganda. Look at the marbles. Kung gaano siya ka-elegant. Hanggang floor yan. Duravit brand natin. Bed. Westin Heavenly Bed. Kasama yan sa turn over ni Westin. Sobrang ganda. If mapapansin nyo, very aesthetic yung design niya. Yan. If even here, sa living room, very aesthetic siya. And mala Japanese style talaga po. Modern Japanese style. Punta naman tayo sa balcony. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung view ng unit natin from the balcony area. So, taas ko lang yung lens. Yung view natin, if makikita nyo guys, is from the inside. Imagine you are sleeping here in the morning, and then when you wake up, ito yung makikita mo. Yan siya. Sobrang ganda ng view. Talagang modern na modern. Ortigas view. Location natin is very strategic and prime. Kita na agad natin yung Mega Mall from the balcony. Ayan. HKTV Tower. Ayan. So, San Miguel Corporation. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Then, punta tayo dito sa other side ng balcony natin. By the way, yung balcony natin is like naka-L shape siya. So, namamaximize natin yung view. So, dito sa part na to, yan, Mandaluyong part yon. And then, Richmond Hotel is ito lang. If nababasa nyo guys, is Estancia. Estancia yung nakasulat, which is yung Estancia Mall. Dyan ginagawa malapit yung subway. Bali, once na magtapos na yung subway, around turnover nun is 2026 to 2029, mas tataas pa yung value ng property natin dito. especially itong Westin. Actually, ngayon pa lang mataas na yung value at mas tataas pa pag nagawa na yung subway. Then, ayan siya. Kung makikita nyo, talagang nasa gitna siya. Sobrang ganda ng view. Hindi siya masyadong maingay since nasa 11th floor na tayo. Yung mga ng cars, hindi siya ganun ka-noisy. And then, sobrang peaceful. Sobrang ganda. Then ngayon naman guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view from the living room. So, ataas ko lang yung blinds. So, ang kagandahan kasi dito kay Westin, yung view natin is from ceiling hanggang baba. So, talagang na-maximize yung view. Sobrang ganda. It's really looks awesome, amazing, fantastic, lahat na. Ayan. Imagine you have guests here. They can sit there at the sofa or they can sit here at the dining table. Diba? You can eat here together with your family. And then if you have work na malapit lang dito o kayong distance, then we have schools din dito. Napapaligiran tayo ng maraming schools. So yun guys, again, 11th floor, 77.69 square meters. Then, baba naman tayo sa isa pa nating unit sa 9th floor. From our unit, then, ito yung hallway natin. Since kaka-turnover lang nitong tower natin, I don't think may mga nakatira na agad. Pero, baka meron na. Hindi ko sure. So, baba tayo sa 9th floor. Really looks awesome. So, andito na tayo sa 9th floor. So, punta tayo sa unit natin. We have multiple ways kasi eh. So, we have here the PIN code. Then, I think ito is sa fingerprint. Yan. And then, ayun. So, dito pala siya. Then, pasok tayo sa loob. Yan. So, pagpasok natin, ito yung makikita natin. Buksan lang natin yung breaker. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Look at that. Look at that. Grabe. Ang sarap maging mayaman. Sarap maging mayaman. Yan. So, sa araw-araw sipag lang, magkakaroon din tayo ng ganito. Tayo sa unit natin sa 9th floor. So, itong unit na to is 77.75 square meters to be exact. Mas malaki siya ng around 2 square meters more or less dun sa isa nating unit sa taas. So, kung makikita nyo dito, mas malaki yung living area natin. And by the way, this unit is also 1 bedroom. Yan. Look at that. Look at that, diba? So, isagid ko lang yung blinds para makita nyo yung view. So, ang kagandahan dito guys, from ceiling hanggang floor yung view natin. Diba? Imagine, pag may visitors ka, guests ka, ito yung makikita nila. Sobrang ganda. Then, yung sofa natin, yung mga furnitures and features natin, very premium. Then, pasok tayo sa bedroom. Ayan. So, on lang natin yung aircon since we have client later.
Cool, because they cannot come here.
Right, and how does that, is that gym
Bigger.
bigger?
Tapos na yung client viewing natin for today. And I hope na gustuhan niyo yung The Residences at the West in Manila Sonata Play. And I think yung client natin, parehas niya nagustuhan yung unit. So I think isa-send daw niya yung pictures dun sa wife niya and tatanungin daw niya yung wife niya kung ano yung kukunin nila. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this is your Geek Pro, Jasper Marquez. If you have questions, real estate concerns, just message me anytime. Bye-bye!